Hi friends, part 4 of my frugal habits that save money easily. Let's begin. Number 1 is make your own salad dressing. Spring is here, summer is coming soon. We're going to eat a lot of salads. The store-bought salads has a lot of additives, bad oil, probably canola oil, and has sugar. So when I make my own salad dressing, I'm using lemon juice. I'm using like good sugar, like monk fruit sugar, which is keto friendly, 0 calories and tastes like sugar. And I'm using avocado oil, olive oil mostly, actually, not much avocado oil. I use avocado oil to make mayonnaise, homemade mayonnaise, which is very easy. I can link a recipe below. Okay, number 2 is cut your own veggies. I know when we do like smoothies, like with fruits, or when we make soup with frozen vegetables or pre-cut vegetables for stews or stir fries like that, it's very easy to buy a $3 or $4 that the veggies that are already washed and cut. I would prefer to do it my own because it's much cheaper. I think it's like 50% less if we do it on our own, and it takes only a couple minutes to do it. And I also I'll buy a pineapple when it's on sale, and then I would cut it, clean it and cut it and freeze in the freezer. So whenever I need to make a dish that needs pineapple, like pizza, I know Italians, please don't hate me, or make smoothies and things like that, I can just go to the freezer and take whatever I need. Okay, number 3 is the meat thing. Okay, so meat is expensive. In my last video, I recommended for 2 days in a week, skip meat, like have a vegetarian stew, like vegetable couscous, there's a lot of like ratatouille. There are a lot of good dishes out there that are vegetarian and it tastes really good. But if we do eat meat, like for example, if you buy a roasted chicken, save the bones and then just cook the bones in water and make some chicken soup. There's always some meat falling off from the bones, and have a noodle soup and add some pasta in it or some noodles in it and make great chicken soup. All right, number 4 is save your morning coffee leftovers. In the morning, we make a fresh pot of coffee, but at noon, you might still have some left and you're not going to have it because it's not gonna get good. What I do is I throw that pot in the fridge. So in the afternoon, if I need some coffee, I'll just add some ice and add some, whatever I need, sometimes a cup of mint to it, and make iced coffee. And it's awesome because in the afternoon it's warmer and you want something that is cold. Probably not drinking a latte again because then that's like added more calories to it. Number 5 is propagate your own succulents for your own use, for your house, for different rooms, or you can just buy like in the dollar store, buy a dollar container. Like sometimes they're really cute, and you just put your succulents in that pot and add some soil and add some like cute rocks, and you can buy all this from Dollar Tree store, and then you can use that for like a birthday present or something, and instead of spend $20 or $50 to buy a birthday present. And everyone loves a succulent. And of course the easiest way is to do the cutting because propagating is not easy and you need a lot of patience. Also need warmer weather, like summer would be perfect. All right, number 6 is use a spray paint for everything. So if you want to do a DIY or something you're like so tired of and you want to change the color of it, just a bottle of spray paint is like $3, less than $4, and it can really make a difference. I spray painted that dresser with I think 2.5 bottles of spray paint, and it was white. It was black and now it's like a beautiful white, and I really love it. It makes a huge difference. It brighten up the room. You can do that with picture frame, with whatever decoration items you have in your house. Maybe some things in the kitchen like flower pots. Most people like it white, but of course black is beautiful too, and you can buy those shiny black spray paint too, and they look very nice. All right, Number 7 is swap skills or time with your friends or neighbors. For example, I offer my neighbor to watch their dog, and then they offer to do something for me, or pay me. That's not bad either. But I mean, like skills, like you know how to fix a car, or you know how to fix something, and you do a good haircut, you do good nails, and then maybe we could swap those skills and the time to save money and make money instead of pay for everything, right? That needs to be done. Okay, number 8 is wash the car at home. We only have one car, and we never wash a car at a car wash place that you pay 10, 20, 30. Oh my gosh, I don't know how much. The only time we did was when we went camping, and we parked the car under the tree, and 3 days later it was a tree sap all over the car, and that was impossible for us to remove it ourselves, so we had to go find the professionals to remove. But otherwise we wash our car, or you can drive those self washing places, pay like a couple dollars. Don't not pay $20 for people to wash your car, because they don't not take care of your car. They might scratch it, and you don't do that. All right. Number 9 is return items ASAP. I know we buy something and then we don't like it. When we're like, okay, I'm going to return, I am going to, but then a month later you still did not return, and then okay, it's out of the returning period, and then you're never going to use it, or it was received defective or damaged, and that's just money lost, and that you're never going to get back, and it's not really a good situation for us, right? It's great for the whatever store or huge corporations, Amazon, Walmart. It's great for them. They're already rich, so we're the ones need the money. So go return it tomorrow if you have something that is sitting in your house now and is to be returned. All right, before I go on with number 10, just want to say thank you very much for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and that would really encourage me to make better videos and better content. Thank you so much. All right, number 10, grocery shopping once a week. So if you tend to go to the store every single day, you end up grab this, grab that, and things that you don't really need, but you want, or you just overindulge. So if we have a shopping list, a grocery list, that we have a plan what we're cooking that week, and then we go to the store and eat something before you go to the store. Don't go to the store hungry, and then just pick the items that you need. Don't not overspend. All right, I hope those 10 tips helps, and I will make my part 5 video soon, so watch out for that. Thank you very much. Bye bye.